Many people have been asking me how I made these two visual effects, and I have decided to answer that question now. Check this out.
What?
Alright, thank you very much. My name is Fashanu Lualeke from smstudio YouTube channel. I am here again to answer some of the questions that people have been asking me in time past about how I made those two visual effects that you just watched. And I have decided to come online to answer those questions by creating a detailed tutorial, video tutorial on how I made those visual effects. But a challenge that I'm having presently is that I don't have the footages to those visual effects you just watched now. So I have decided to make another one entirely. I'll be shooting another visual effect like the one you just watched now, and I'll be giving you a detailed tutorial on the cinematography setup and the editing suite, how I edited it on Premiere and also on After Effects. You'll be watching it. What do you have to do? Just click on that link below. Check my YouTube channel and you will see a subscribe button there. Click on that subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you can get notified immediately I drop this tutorial so that you can watch it online. Thank you very much. I'll be seeing you later. For now, my name is Fashanu Lualeke. See you next time. Thank you.